Have you downloaded to the? Okay, okay. Is it in the DevOps folder? Just control, just do a control X and put it in DevOps folder. Do a control X and go to DevOps folder and put it over there. Yeah, do a control V. Now go to your Git bash. Do ls. Now do unzip. Yeah. You're familiar with these commands, right? These days?
Yes,
Okay. See, I'm just trying to understand. Are you feeling comfortable doing everything from command line?
yes, sir. I'm comfortable.
Okay. Because see, once you become a DevOps engineer, right, you will have to be very much thorough with command line. You should be familiar with all the commands, all the
Yes,
shortcuts.
sir. For that, we need to practice every day continuously.
Yeah, right. What is the current role you're playing?
Network administrator, sir.
Network administrator. Okay.
Yes,
See, there is a very good chance for you to easily move to DevOps since you have some networking background.
yes, sir.
Do one thing. I mean, whenever you have some time, prepare your CV or update your CV with your with the DevOps experience. Put some other
Okay.
contents like infrastructure, DevOps, like that in your CV, AWS, like that. Start applying for jobs.
Sir, if any company will do the background verification, means that you tell me.
Speak properly, Darshan.
Sir, if any company did background verification, means that time any
They will not
problem.
go and ask you what you were doing, what was your current role and all. As long as you are working person and you have the proper experience in the company, then they will not ask you so much inside what was your current role. See, even your role would be network administrator, but you will be doing DevOps work. So you have to just mention it in the CV that you are working as a DevOps engineer.
Yes,
See, I'll make sure you are on the right track once you start applying for jobs. I'll help you out.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Hmm.
I need to edit my resume, sir. Like
Yes.
my DevOps skills
Yeah.
change.
Okay. Now, what you do is do a PWD, do ls. Next thing, what you need to do, based on whatever we have done so far in the last class and all, what you need to do. You also attended yesterday's class,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So try, tell me the sequence.
Need to create a new project, sir.
Yeah,
Project.
correct. Yeah, do that. I also explained you why we are doing this way, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
see, you cannot go and create all your code starting from scratch. So I'm giving you the uh, um, yeah, base project. In that, you are going to update your information. It's like
Yes.
uh, what do you call it as? Has anyone else joined the call?
No, sir.
No.
Now I need to clone, sir.
Correct. Clone it.
Sir. So I need to move to that directory.
Just a second. Yeah, go to that directory. So basically, like I told you, I created a skeleton of the project. Then you have to update your credentials and your variables.tf, whatever is local to you. That you have to update it in that particular repository. Then start working on it. Because I have already spent enough time to explain all the code blocks in Terraform, all the code blocks in GitLab CI. Everything is already explained. If you just open the code, you can easily understand what the flow I have written. You should also be able to find out the GitLab CI workflow also. The most important thing is the GitLab CI workflow, the different stages, and your Terraform code. Rest everything is going to work seamlessly. If
Yes.
you don't have any other problems with respect to some of the configuration. Now, do one thing. What do you need to do next?
Now I need to copy the files.
Yeah, copy the files from the dash main. So cp dash r space double dot. So you're going back one directory and then going to k it as main. Yeah. Just double click on the okay. You can type it. Yeah, that's okay. GitLab k it as dash main slash use tab. Just tab and see what are the files available there. Just keep pressing tab twice or thrice. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Star space dot. Hmm. Then what you need to do is you need to copy the dot git files.
Yes.
Now you have almost everything, but you have to make some changes in the scripts folder. So if you can open the dot GitLab CI YAML file for now, just initially you just make a change in the dot GitLab. Okay, you have the access key, secret key, everything is modified. You just change the name to Shankar, from Shankar to Darshan. AS3 bucket name. Escape and save it. So that's the
This
only thing.
no default region.
Default region, it is okay. You can change the variable name also. Yeah, change it. Escape and save it.
Now I need to go to scripts.
Yeah, go to scripts folder. No, not the scripts because I'll tell you. Because this scripts is common. But we have another script which is under code cloud. Slash. No, cd dot slash code, KOD, code and tab. So you should also be familiar with going directly from one directory to another directory which is in another folder. Yeah, enter. So you are understanding, right? You're just going back one directory and then going to code cloud.
Yes, yes.
Okay, do ls.
These
See, I'll
scripts we
tell you
need.
one more thing, right?
Yes.
Since you're already working, if I get an opportunity in my company, if there is any opening for maybe so and so, so years of experience, like say you must be having around 3 to 4 years, right? Total experience.
2.6 years.
2.6 years. Okay, that is also more than enough. Say if I get a chance in my organization or maybe another organization, I'll try to push your CV. See, if you should be really working hard. I mean, you should really understand all the stuff whatever I'm teaching. Apart from
Yes.
this, there's nothing else required for a DevOps engineer.
Yes, sir.
You may be thinking that, I mean, you have to learn Jenkins, you have to learn Ansible, you have to learn so many things, but it is not like that. Most of the organization looks only for a specific experience. Terraform, GitLab, AWS, or Azure, some kind of networking knowledge and shell scripting. That is more than enough for a DevOps engineer.
Yes, sir. No need to learn on all the tools.
No need to learn all the tools. That's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and that is also very difficult. You cannot really learn every tool.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, go to scripts folder. Now you have almost all the variables that are there. I had just created here. Do one thing. Go to myvars.sh file. In that again change the name to Darshan and escape and save this file. Do you know what is the profile in AWS CLI? No, don't
AWS.
resetup.sh. I'm asking you, you have any understanding what is profile in AWS CLI?
Infrastructure, sir.
No. Do one thing. Open your AWS credentials file. When I say open your credentials file, AWS credentials file, right? Okay.
Yes.
You can either do cat or vim, right? So
Yes, sir.
you are going to modify the file. So do it accordingly. No. Tilt. No. Tilt symbol slash dot AWS, not SSH credentials. Hmm. Now what you're going to do is, I have created another profile. Default is a profile that you are using. Normally,
Yes,
when
sir.
you run the command, AWS CLI command, you don't need to provide profile name because it is taking the default credentials. Can you go to the first line and do a 3YY? Yeah, come down to the last line and then do a P. P for paste. See, I mean 3YY is for copy, P for paste. Come to the third line and do press P. No, it's okay. 3YY, have you done it or not? 3YY. Escape. No, escape. You press once again. You for
Yes.
undo. 3YY. It's a
Yes, sir.
command inside a Vim editor. It is a command 3YY.
And yes, sir. After that,
P. No, you just did a 2YY. Escape you. Escape you. Okay, go there. 3YY.
no.
What happened? Escape you. I mean, just press 3 number and then Y 2 times. Here it shows currently, right? Correctly.
Yes,
3
sir.
lines.
3 lines.
Yanked means copied. Now change default to code cloud. KODE KLOUD.
We can't do in insert mode, no? So that copy.
Copy is a command. It is not an insert mode. It is a command that you are doing. So try to do more stuff on the Vim editor, V editor commands. That is more important. Code dash cloud. KLOUD. Code dash cloud. Cloud. Escape, save this file. Do ls once again. Do ls. Can I do a dot slash pre setup dot sh? Hmm.
This is doing for S3 and DB, no, sir? For
Yeah, S3 and D. Basically, you have the DynamoDB table.
yes, sir.
If you go to your AWS cloud, you can see that DynamoDB table is already exist. That's why it is not creating. Okay. that is available. That is already created. Okay. Do one thing. Just go back to your git bash. Do a cd space dot slash. Um, I okay. You just need to go only one directory back. Okay. Enter. Ls. Mm, you just need to open the backend.tf. Yeah, change the name to Darshan. Sorry. Now I think you can um, do a git add, git commit. So you do one thing. Go one directory back. CD space dot. You must be familiar with the git diff, git status. Yeah, it clearly tells you what are the files which are untracked, what are the files which are modified.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now just do a git add, git commit, and git push. So mostly your deployment will succeed. You will have two instances created. Okay, only one thing I forgot to mention is we just went ahead with T2.medium. Just go back to your git bash. Don't need to stop the pipeline, but we can change it. Vim space AWS TF. Yeah, I mean your Kubernetes folder. You have to go to Kubernetes folder and then variables.tf. Directly from here you are opening. No, 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 don't go there. You can open from here. You use,
Again,
please use tab frequently so that you understand what you need to do.
not close.
Not working.
Yes.
How come it is not working? Okay, that's not the right. Okay, now you no, don't do CD. Do a Vim space. You are supposed to go to code cloud. That is a folder that we are currently referring, right, for the pipeline.
Yes, sir.
Uh, variables.tf. Uh, search for medium slash slash medium. So it is for searching inside. Yeah, enter. Now you do a CW change word. Now type micro. Yeah, escape and save this file. Once the deployment is completed, you can do a git add, git commit, git push. Your instance type will be automatically changed. So you can go and check your AWS console. It is T3, T2.medium. So you created a T2.medium and later you are thinking that it should be T2.micro and you are going to apply the changes from Terraform and it will be automatically updated.
It medium created.
Okay, just go ahead and do a git add, git commit, git push. If you want to see git status, Git diff. Git status will show that. Git diff will show you the changes. Because since
I
you
did the
you have done a git add, right? It is
git
not.
add. Yes.
So you already did a git add. Okay, now you can go with git commit. Change instance type to t2.micro. Give a proper spelling, otherwise you will have problem later stage. Just use left. Hmm. Now do a git push and try to see whether the pipeline is triggered and your this thing is working. Your code is working. Okay, pipeline triggered. Pipeline started. It'll automatically change instance type to t2.micro. So with these two different repositories, right? You can play around with it. You can probably search for some new resources in AWS Cloud. That code you can add it in the .tf file. Say, if you want to add S3 bucket, say just go to the internet, go to Google, and then search for how to add S3 bucket Terraform file. Add S3 bucket in AWS Cloud. S3 bucket in AWS using Terraform. Yeah, just probably you can just copy paste the code and change the variables according to your requirement and put it in the folder from where you are running.
There's no need to write manually, no, sir. Like
You need to know how to write it manually, but you can still do it this way. Resource AWS bucket, name, bucket, dev, environment, like that. You can just do it. So just make sure copy and paste it and then change the bucket name to maybe a unique bucket name. It will not, this one will not be created for sure. Yeah. Just copy paste the bucket in your s3.tf. Just copy. Go to your go to your repository. Go to your do a vim space code cloud. s3.tf. Yeah, enter, and then just paste the content inside insert mode, paste inside, and change the bucket name to s3 test underscore dash darshan. S3 test my tf test darshan. Hmm. Okay, just save this file and just check your pipeline.
it's in planning stage.
No, refresh.
Not done, sir.
Yeah, it is done. Now go to AWS console and check the size of instance type. So it is
Yes, sir.
changed to right? Like this only, your infrastructure pipeline will work. Infrastructure automation will work. So this is all about infra automation. Infra DevOps. See, there are different categories in DevOps. Infra, application DevOps, SRE role. SRE role is only for monitoring. So like that, I'm trying to help you out up to a little bit of SRE, depth understanding of infra DevOps, decent understanding on application DevOps. So all of these things will be taught from my class. Rest everything, you can learn something from the internet or learn something from your experience. Like that, you can learn.
Yes, sir.
But some important things that you need to have the fundamental is your networking knowledge, like especially CIDR, especially IP addressing, subnetting, routing. All of those things you need to learn from your side.
Yes.
Okay, now what you do is go to your command line, git bash, AWS S3 LS. Why is it not returning anything? Okay, it is returning. Okay. So there are two buckets for you for now. You can run a .cleanup.sh later, but now what you do is do a git add, git commit, git push.
First, I'll check.
Yeah, sure. Git diff will not show you anything because it's a new file. You are not you have not modified anything with the existing one. Git status will show you and track.
Yes.
Now do a git add, git commit, git push. You will see the new pipeline started, right? And
Yes.
after the apply stage, you can see that your new S3 bucket is created. That you can do AWS S3 LS. Just after 2 to 3 minutes, just try AWS S3 LS. No, wait. I mean, it's okay. You wait for some time. Uh, do one thing. Come to your Git bash. Do sleep space 120 semicolon semicolon, not colon. Yeah. Um, AWS S3 space LS. AWS S3 LS. Yeah, I'll leave it. So it will give you the output after 120 seconds. I'll be on mute for some time. We'll discuss. So you can see that the bucket is created, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now do a destroy. No, you don't have to click on there and then just run like this. Just go back, I'll tell you. Go back. You just need to click on the run button. No, no, no. See, next to destroy. Yeah. So it is pretty simple. You can also run it from the previous page. That is also possible. You can do it. If you go to pipelines, you can directly click from here also. Yeah, that one you click. Yeah, you click that one. You will get an option to click on that. Yeah, like that also you can do. But you should always run it against the latest pipeline. You cannot run it from the previous pipelines.
Yes, sir. This one also I need to run.
So those things, if you run it also, it won't make any sense because the latest pipeline has all the changes. Okay, the bucket which is created, it is deleted. Instances is also deleted, right?
Yes.
Similarly, if you just go back to your this one, um, git bash, and go to your cleanup, go to your scripts folder, go to scripts folder, and run a /cleanup.sh. This will remove all the resources that you created so far, so that you will never be billed for any of the resources, like S3 bucket, DynamoDB table, whatever it is. Error, access denied. Okay, let's stop. Checks operations, access denied. I think it is probably trying to delete it something. Your pipeline. Just go and check the pipeline whether it is completed. Can you run it once again now? Your command. No, no, your command. Yeah.
Same error.
AWS S3 LS.
Yeah.
Either the bucket is not available or maybe some other reason. We need to identify. Can you go to AWS console? S3, go to S3 bucket. Okay. Okay, cloud Darshan, APC Darshan. Can you go inside one of the bucket, the first bucket? Okay. I think we have to delete it using -- recursive command. Can you go back to your scripts folder? Can you open the cleanup.sh? Do a vim space, yeah, enter. Uh, After the dash force, right? Uh, Can you give
Yes, sir.
after the dash dash force? Can you give dash dash recursive? No, no, no. Don't remove that. Don't remove that. Escape. Uh, Go to insert mode. Go to the end. Space. Dash dash. Dash dash recursive. Recursive. SIV recursive. Yeah. Escape. Save the file. Run ./cleanup.sh. Okay, okay. Sure, I'll do one thing, delete it from the command console for now. You can delete one by one. This bucket is not empty. Empty bucket. No, no, no. Permanently delete. You have to type permanently delete. You have to P small. P small. Empty. Now you select and delete. Okay. Sure. Maybe we can close the call today.
Yes.
If you have any doubts, you can call me. You can also go through the documents I shared with you, especially all the slides so far
Yes.
that I shared with you. Please go through all the slides. You will have a better understanding.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.